Hello and welcome to Republic Haryana. I am Bhaskar Mukherjee and I wish you a very happy Republic Day. Here are the news headlines of Monday. The major breaking is coming from the national capital, where the tractor parade of the protesting farmers turned ugly and a complete condition of chaos was witnessed. The parade of the protesting farmers went out of control after the protesters broke barricades across Delhi borders to march the capital road. At least two agitators hosted their own flags after they climbed flagstaff at the Red Fort. Protesters stormed at the Red Fort, creating a major law and order condition. Meanwhile, a farmer died as his tractor turned turtle on the Deen Dayal Upadhyay Marg near ITO. The protesting farmers alleged that the police started lathi charge and fired tear gas shells, and the farmer who died who was trying to escape the situation. His tractor turned upside down, killing him on the spot. After witnessing total abnormal condition, the MHA, Ministry of Home Affairs, snapped internet at various borders. Taking a serious note on the condition, the Home Minister ordered to snap mobile internet services at 5 different borders so no one could spread rumors. The internet services snapped at many places in Delhi, including Ghazipur border, Tikri border, Mubaraka Chowk and other places. The condition turned abnormal after protesting farmers entered the roads of national capital from Ghazipur border, Tikri border, Singhu and other bordering area connecting to Delhi. On the other hand, 32 farmer unions have claimed that they are following the directions and taking out their protest according to the scheduled route. The leaders of the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, the main body of the farmers union, said that the 32 different unions of the Punjab were following the set routes. The union leader Balbir Singh Rajewal and many more urged the protesters for peaceful protest and said that the 32 unions from Punjab are following the routes and rules. Rajewal criticized the violence and distanced themselves from those including in violence. Rajewal also said that they have identified those who are protesting and the same will be handed over to the police so they can take action against them. Farmer leader Rakesh Tikait also claimed that those who were trying to create trouble had been identified and alleged that they belong to a political party. As the condition went out of control, the Delhi police have urged the protesting farmers to maintain law and order. The Delhi police appealed to the protesting farmers to not take law and order condition in their hand and maintain peace as clashes between the force and protesting farmers broke out at number of places in the national capital. The additional public relation officer Anil Mittal of Delhi police said that the police is requesting the protesting farmers to not take law in their hands and maintain peace. Looking serious condition in Delhi, the metro authorities barred the services of more than 20 metro stations including ITO. Well, that's all from national capital. The Chief Minister of Haryana Manohar Lal has hosted Tricolor in Panchkula. The Chief Minister of Haryana Manohar Lal hosted the flag in Panchkula district and congratulated everyone for the 72nd Republic Day. While addressing gather in Panchkula, the CM of Haryana Manohar Lal said that everyone has the right to protest, but there is always a way of protest which must not turn violent and be registered peacefully. The CM requested protesting farmers of Delhi to follow the government rules and not to turn their protest violent in any way. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe Republic Haryana. Have a good day.